What we actually do is building hefty lifting multi-rotors, which by the public means known by drones. But what is different from our machine from other drones that we know today is that these drones are used for commercial purposes. So they have like small cameras attached to them, and they're used for different shots, for movies, and for commercialism basically. And our machine, different from that, is that it can lift heavy weights, heavy loads. But then you would say, oh, but isn't a helicopter what's used today for that? Yes, true. But a helicopter is also really expensive and has high maintenance costs. So for us, a drone that we're building is really easy to maneuver, really low cost and highly efficient in that sense. Provide a lot of functionalities in our drone, such as like the drone can be unmanned, autonomous, and have a lot of high-tech equipment that it can help locate, stabilize, and provide anything to the patient. To be honest, I am nervous because for me it's a new experience to be able to pitch for 300 people in a crowd. It's a bit too much. I'm unexperienced in that area.
The company is formed by students and staff from the Fontys Mechatronics department and is being sponsored by the Dutch Ministry of Defense.
To be honest, I was really impressed with the pitch. I thought everything went really well. I felt like as I went on with the pitch, I felt more and more like confident because I thought I was doing well. And yeah, it felt really natural, it felt really well. I was watching the people whilst I was giving the pitch, and they seemed really engaged as well with the story in the beginning.
Not only that, but this prototype is able to travel a distance from Eindhoven to the Veldhoven Hospital in less than 4 minutes.
Not fully able to speak Dutch yet. I'm just intermediate level, so I could understand the whole concept but not in details. But overall, for the concept, for the ideas, amazing ideas, really good. I had also the project who won. I was also really impressed when they gave the pitch and really amazed. So yeah, that was great experience. Really happy that I took this initiative. In the beginning it looked really difficult, but I can tell you for sure I'm really glad, and of course I will remember this day. This event helped a lot for us to gain more and more network. That was the whole purpose, and as well to learn and further develop our pitches in the future.